Hi, I'm Marna, and I'm getting ready to make a new dress for my 3D printed rabbit for Easter. This collab is hosted by Penny, and it's Playful Reborns, Dory's Dollies, and I. And we have these 3D printed rabbits, which I absolutely love. Look at that, even the ears move. Love, love, love it. Darren printed mine, and in fact, Dory's. 3D rabbits. Took how long? Hours and hours.
Yeah, days.
Over 20, yeah, I mean, it was days. Like the head alone was many hours to, and they are strung. When I get her undressed, I'll show you all of the joints and such. And she has a cute little tail, darling little tail. I blushed her little joints. She was a free pattern on Thingiverse from Delightful, and you changed the size because I wanted bigger. What I wanted to show you is her little everyday outfit before I take it off and make her new Easter outfit. This is the chemise underneath her apron, and it's what I'm hoping to make for Easter with an Easter print apron. We'll see how it goes. I don't know if I have purple lace or not. I sure hope so. I wanted to show you real quick how jointed my little bunny is. Her head goes in a bunch of directions. Her ears move up and they also go very down. So she has all kinds of expressions. Or she can be, well, it's not really a lop ear, but could be.
She can come forward too, can't they, and back the ears, kind of like a
They
dog.
do. They sure do. You're right. I'm glad you mentioned that. Her shoulders are articulated. Her elbows are. Her wrists are. Her waist, or chest, I guess. Her legs are articulated at the knee and the hip and the foot. And yes, she can stand if you do it just right and ask her please.
Yeah.
I don't stand her because she'll fall, but
It's a precarious
it is.
stand.
It's very. And I did the face up and everything on it. It might not be the best, but it's the only one she has. And I love her little tail. And then this opens up with magnets and shows you all the workings. Darren painted her eyes. Get a close-up of those eyes. I absolutely love what he did for those eyes. She also has a blue or lavender set, I think it is. So that's my little bunny, and I just wanted to show you the works before I got started on her outfit. So this is the little Easter outfit I came up with for my little rabbit. Oh, I love her. I love, 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 love her. I made her a simple chemise and just gave her a big bow in the back of her little purple apron. And of course, I put lace all the way around for her little purple outfit. And she's going to sit there with the rabbits and the Sasha dolls. And if you haven't seen the Sasha doll collab, you need to go look at it too. Penny, thank you so much for this. I really appreciate it and glad you had this idea. Dory, I can't wait to see yours or Penny's. Please go by and see each of these ladies' videos today. We will have their links in the title. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe. Look at her little paws and her little feet. Oh, I love her. Thank you for making her, Darren.
She's adorable. You did a great job painting her.